Scorpio. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a weekly reading from 25th to 31st of May 2020. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your support, your liking, subscribing, sharing. Thank you so much for your love. So much for your beautiful comments on my channel. I'm sending you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, love, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, guys, if you are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the deck, the Good Tarot deck I'm using right now. I hope you can see this. So let's start your reading, Scorpio. This is for the Scorpio people. Okay, so let's cut the deck for you, Scorpio. This is for the Scorpios. Okay. Wow, strength. So this is your overall energy. You are feeling very strong, very like strengthful. Yeah, very strong card. First card is very strong. Ten of Wands, Tower, Hanged Man, Five of Swords, Knight of Swords, Judgment, Chariot, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, Magician. Wow, bottom of the deck you can see this Wheel of Fortune. I want to take it because this is the great card. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune, definitely this is your destiny. You are feeling very strong, very blessed by the universe. Yes, Scorpio, yes, you are very blessed. Okay, with the Ten of Wands, Tower, and the Hanged Man, I'm feeling that there is a connection in the past that you and your person feeling very burdened about, and then Tower moment happened, the breakup happened, whatever was the situation happened, and both of you feel stuck to move forward. You were feeling very like hardly you can move forward. You're thinking like that. With the Hanged Man energy, you can hardly move your muscle. Yeah, even a muscle. With the Five of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the Kaal, which is Judgment card of the tarot, telling me that there is a second chance coming for both of you to heal this connection. Yes, Scorpio. With this Judgment card, because this is the past life soulmate, so definitely second chances, second opportunity, reconciliation. Five of Swords and the Knight of Swords, I'm feeling that both of you want to trying to manipulate each other, but then nothing happened because both of you feel very like ego and very like very straight. Yeah, both of you like were in your ego so much, but now this communication will happen, and this communication can clear all the like misunderstandings. Yeah, definitely misunderstandings, and you will feel relaxed by having this communication because past was very burdened, and now there is second chances. So yeah, there is an opportunity for you to clear the air between both of you. Chariot, Knight of Pentacles, and the Magician. So definitely things are moving forward, and there is another person in the equation who wants to slow down the things between you two, Scorpio, but I'm feeling that you are manifesting this, and yeah, that's why you are moving forward. Or this must be your person. You can switch the role. Why is the Strength here? Patience, another major arcana. Justice. Wow. Three of Wands. Wow. So definitely this is a big reading for you, Scorpio. So universe wants this. Universe want to give you this opportunity. So just utilize it for your betterment, for your growth, for your abundance, for having that abundance, and trying Try to have that balance in your atmosphere and even in your connection. Yeah, because they are coming for you. They're coming for you. So it's up to you. You want to receive them, you want to accept them, or you want to reject them. Okay, what is this Tower here for the Scorpio? Six of Cups, transformation. Here you are, Scorpio. Ace of Swords. Yeah, you know that they are your soulmate. You know that they were your very true soulmate, very beautiful soulmate. But then the situation becomes toxic for both of you, like heavy, overburdened, and then ending and new beginnings. I'm feeling that some of you have a new person who is coming your way. They want to give you that balance in the connection and that healthy like atmosphere, that healing energy. What is this Knight of Swords? King of Wands, Six of Wands. Wow. Nine of Cups. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wow. Maybe an air sign, but Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, and they are very passionate about you, Scorpio. I'm feeling that the person is very highlighted in their society and family surroundings, family, friend circle, whatever, but you are their wish fulfillment. After having this communication with the new person or with whatever your past person, you will know that definitely you are their wish fulfillment. You will know the truth. Yeah, you will know the truth that whatever was the reason that they were feeling very nasty, they were doing that nasty thing or stuckness in the past, they will tell you, everything. Yeah, Scorpio. Why is this Chariot here? Why is the Chariot here? Knight of Cups. Yeah. Two of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, Scorpio, I was telling you that Chariot, Knight of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. This chariots this chariot will bring an offer of love, and then you will decide, like you have to decide. That was the decision moment for you, if you want to put in the work in that situation or not. Yeah. Why is this Magician here? Why is the Magician here for the Scorpio? Queen of Cups, love is here. Eight of Cups, searching for the Two of Cups. King of Pentacles. Yeah. Earth signs, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Libra is here, Gemini, Virgo here, Sag is here, Pisces here, Cancer here, and you are here, Scorpio. So Magician is trying to manifest the love for themselves. You are the Magician and you're trying to manifest the best love situation for you, the love partner, the best interest of love for you, who have deep emotions for you, who has deep true feelings for you. And yeah, they are also searching for love, and they are very stable as well. So you have found your partner. Just do the right thing, because beautiful things are coming your way. You can see this. Beautiful things are coming your way. I'm feeling that song, beautiful angel. Okay, so beautiful reading for you, Scorpio. Definitely, it's very strong reading, and you are moving forward, which is great. For some of you, it is a new love opportunity who is knocking at your door, and for some of you, this is the past person who want to mend this connection and who want to utilize this second chance or second opportunity in their life, because they don't want to lose you, and they want to invest in you. Yeah, they want to invest in you. So this is I have for you, Scorpio. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.